What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Skl, which has pumped up quite a bit, as you guys can see, not just over the last 24 hours but over the last week, and is currently trading at just below the 10 cents target and has pumped up just over 17%. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Skl, especially with the crypto pump that's taken place over the last week, with mainly Bitcoin pumping up to near about $52,000 guys after a good 2 years. How is this going to have an impact on the crypto market? And focusing on Skl, is this a crypto worth buying right now? Is it one to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it one to hold on to? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect as well? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Skl, which is here in purple at 0.07791 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at near about 10 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange now looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Again, if I zoom out a little bit, they are looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well, which I kind of agree with for the next couple of hours. But by midday tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Skl to have taken a little bit of a dip down to around the 9 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is it's gone through quite of a pump, not just in the last 24 hours but over the week itself. As you guys can see, it's done 35% increase, and right now it is slightly overvalued. So over the next couple of hours, well, 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall drop in value, even though it is likely to go past the 10 cents target over the next few hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, we've still got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not realistic. However, over the coming week, I'm expecting Skl to go for an overall minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to around 12 cents or just above 12 cents is where I'm expecting Skl to be trading at. But again, this depends on mainly how Bitcoin performs, as I am expecting the crypto market to go for a little bit of a price correction over the coming week, as it has taken quite of a pump over the last week. So it is time for a little bit of a step back before it pumps back up even higher. But yeah, I'm expecting Skl to head about 12 to 13 cents in value by mid next week. So again, don't expect it to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit red days in between, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, strong, going in a bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Skl over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. Early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to be heading up over 16 cents in value. However, as most of you guys do know, the Bitcoin halving is taking place in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market overall, which I will keep you guys updated on in closer to the date, once I do more analysis and more technical analysis on the crypto, and as I get more data, I will let you guys know how it's likely to impact the crypto market and what the best option would be. But make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So far so good for Scale Network over the coming weeks and months, as well as I'm expecting it to keep pumping up in value heading into the green side. But at the moment, do expect a little bit of a price correction over the short term, over the next couple of hours and days, before it slowly starts to increase once again. Bringing out the Fibonacci scale here, as you guys can see, we are still trading in, well, we have broken out into the green zone, but as again, it is likely to drop back down into the red zone over the coming hours and days as well, before it slowly starts to gain value again into the green zone. By April time, we should be trading up into the top tier level, into the green zone here, and potentially heading into the dark green zone in April, March. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Scale, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But yeah, as you guys can see, the last couple of times it did hit the green zone, it ended up dropping back into the red zone here. So this is just another example where it's likely to head back down into the red zone over the coming days. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $65 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as Scale is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So there's a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and the fact that the crypto market overall is pumping, and on the green side there's a lot more activity going on in the crypto market, with more buyers, sellers and so on. But one thing I would say is, if you guys are looking to invest into Scale right now, I would be very careful, because it is quite high and has pumped up quite a bit, and as I mentioned, it is likely to go for a price correction from what I've predicted. But then again, it depends if you're into short-term or long-term trade. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Scale, guys. Over the long term, can this crypto hit the dollar mark? Personally, I believe it can. From the analysis and predictions I've done over the last few years, guys, I do expect Scale to hit the dollar mark, but not anytime soon, not this year anyway. Over the next 2 to 3 years, I'm expecting it to pump up to the dollar mark. But again, depending on how the crypto market performs with crashes, bull runs and so on, these things will have a major impact on when Scale hits the dollar mark. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Scale, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.